Good morning everyone. This is your Nilofar ma'am. I hope you all are fine at your homes and your study is going well. So as you all know that we are doing the syllabus of internal assignment 3. Our subject is English literature and in today's video I will explain you worksheet 4 that is related to lesson 4A. Topic of the lesson is the ashes that made trees bloom. So in the previous worksheets related to the lesson we have done the word meanings, make sentences and question answers with some exercises, and in today's worksheet I will explain you the book filling which you have to fill in your books very neatly and cleanly. So like always, before starting the work you all have to mention today's date in your copies, that is 2 August 2021. With this you have to mention online classwork in your copies and you don't have to mention anything else in your books because you have to do the book filling in your books only. So for the book filling you have to open your books first of all and open page number 64. On page number 64 you can see that a paragraph is being given, that is read the following paragraph and frame questions on the italicized phrases. So in the paragraph some phrases are italicized, we have to form the questions on the phrases. Let's read. First one is Anil is in school. So we have formed the question, that is where is Anil. Second one is Anil is sitting in the left row. So we have formed the question, that is where is Anil sitting. Next one is Anil's friend is sitting in the second row. So we have formed the question, that is where is Anil's friend sitting. Next one is he is sharpening his pencil. So the question we have made, that is what is his friend doing. Next is the teacher is writing on the blackboard and the question we have formed, that is who is writing on the blackboard. Next one is children are writing in their copybooks and the question we have formed, that is what are some children doing. So these are the questions which we have formed for the sentences, for the italicized sentences actually. I am explaining you again. The question is where is Anil. So Anil is in the school. Next one is where is Anil sitting and the answer is Anil is sitting in the left row. What is he doing? Answer is he is reading a book. Next one is where is Anil's friend sitting. So Anil's friend is sitting in the second row. Next one is what is his friend doing? He is sharpening his pencil. Next one is who is writing on the blackboard and the answer is the teacher is writing on the blackboard. Next one is what are some children doing? So children are writing in their copybooks. So we have formed the questions for the given sentences. Now let's see the next exercise. Next is exercise 2. Write appropriate question words in the blank spaces in the following dialogues. So the dialogues are being given here against the names of the person and we have to write appropriate question words in the blanks. First one is Neha. Dash did you get this book? So the question word we have filled, that is when. When did you get this book? Sheila is saying yesterday morning. Next one is Neha. Dash is your sister crying? And we have filled the question word why. Why is your sister crying? Neha is asking. Sheila is giving the answer because she has lost her doll. Next one is Neha. Dash room is this, yours or hers? So we have filled the question word, that is whose. So here Neha is asking to Sheila, whose room is this, yours or hers? Sheila is saying it's ours, means hamara. Next one, Neha is asking the question, dash do you go to school? So the question word we have filled, that is how. How do you go to school? And the answer is given by Sheila, that is we walk to school, it is nearby. Now let's see next exercise. Next is exercise 3. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. So these are also some words we have to fill in the correct blanks. First one is my friend lost his chemistry book. Now he doesn't know dash to do and dash to look for it. So we have filled the words, that is what and where. My friend lost his chemistry book. Now he doesn't know what to do and where to look for it. Second one is there are so many toys in the shops. Nina can't decide dash one to buy. So the word we have filled, that is which. There are too many toys. Nina can't decide which one to buy. Third one is you don't know the way to my school. Ask the policeman dash to get there. So the word we have filled, that is how. So to reach the school, ask the policeman how to get there. Fourth one is you should decide soon dash to start building your house. Word is when. So you should decide when to start building your house. Fifth one is do you know dash to ride a bicycle. I don't remember dash and dash. I learnt it. So we have filled with how, when and where. Do you know how to ride a bicycle? Someone is asking to you. I don't remember when and where I learnt it. Last one is you should know dash to talk and dash to keep your mouth shut. The teacher advised Anil. So the teacher is advising Anil that you should know how to talk and when to keep your mouth shut. Next is exercise 4. So we have done this in copy also. Add I-am or I-n to each of the following words and use them in place of the italicized words in the sentences given below. So first of all, in the box some words are being given here. So we have to add I-am or I-n to these words and we have to write these words at the place of the italicized words in the sentences. First sentence is the project appears very difficult at first sight but it can be completed if we work very hard. So the italicized words are very difficult and we have replaced them with impossible. Very difficult, impossible. Second one is he lacks competence, that's why he can't keep any job for more than a year. Competence means ability. So here lacks competence is italicized and we have replaced it with incompetent. Third one is don't lose patience, your letter will come one day. The postman told me. So here the italicized words are lost patience and we have replaced it with impatient. Next one is that's not a proper remark to make under the circumstances. So italicized words are not a proper, we have replaced it with improper. Next one is he appears to be without sensitivity, in fact he is very emotional. So here italicized words are without sensitivity and we have replaced these words with insensitive. So here we have made another words by using I am or in to the given words. Next is use a, an or the in the blanks. So we have to fill the articles. You all know how to use the articles. Let's see. There was once dash play which became very successful. So there was once a play which was very successful. Dash famous actor was acting in it. So a famous actor was acting in it. Next one is in dash play his role was that of aristocrat who had been imprisoned in dash castle for 20 years. So here we have filled the because we have already talked about the play, that's why we are using the here. We are repeating the same thing about which we are talking. So in the play his role was that of an aristocrat who had been imprisoned in the castle for 20 years. Next one is in dash last act of dash play someone would come on dash stage with dash letter which he would hand over to dash prisoner. So here we have filled in the last act of the play someone would come on a stage with the letter which he would hand over to the prisoner. Even though dash aristocrat was not expected to read dash letter at each performance, he always insisted that dash letter be written out from beginning to end. So here we have filled with all the blanks the. So even though the aristocrat was not expected to read the letter at each performance, he always insisted that the letter be written out from beginning to end. So according to the use we have filled here the articles. Next is exercise 6. Encircle the correct article. So the first one is would you like a and the apple or a and the banana. So the correct article is an or a. Would you like an apple or a banana. Second sentence is I would like a and the apple please. So correct one is an because apple is starting with a which is a vowel, that's why we have used an. I would like an apple please. Third one is take a and the red one in a and the fruit bowl. So the correct one is take the red one in the fruit bowl. You may take a and the orange also if you like. So you may take an orange also if you like. Last one is a and the one beside A and the banana. So the one beside the banana. Next is exercise 2 again. So let's read what is the heading. Put each of the following in the correct order, then use them appropriately to fill the blanks in the paragraph that follows. Use correct pronunciation marks. So first of all, we have to rearrange the words to make proper sentences. First one is he writes both in English and Hindi. Second one is many books in English and only a few short stories in Hindi. Third one is my Hindi is much better than my English. Now we have to fill at the correct places. Ravi Kant is a writer and he writes both in English and Hindi, of course. He is much happier writing in English than in Hindi. He has written many books in English and only a few short stories in Hindi. I find his books a little hard to understand. My Hindi is much better than my English. So these were the exercises which you have to fill in your book actually. I hope everything is clear to all of you. If still any confusion is there, so you can ask me on the WhatsApp also. I'll meet you in the another explanation video. Till that, keep learning, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye everyone.